For this game, you need a 4, 5, and 2 6s. The suits are not important. If you choose the 5, you'll have more than an 83% chance of winning one round and more than a 96% chance of winning the best out of 5. So how this works is the spectator is free to randomize these cards however they like. Now, depending on the value of the top card, that's how many times we move the top card to the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Set the next one down. How did we do? 6 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What about the next one? 6 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How did we do? We won. Now, you may not win the first round, but if you play the best out of 5, you are almost guaranteed to win. Now, if my students use this for gambling, I will find you and take away your cards.